Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, we will going to learn this beautiful and very simple edging pattern for our hankies or for our napkins, and you can use the same in your blankets and shawls as well. But for this particular hanky, I've made a decorative corner as well, which is a granny triangle. It's not a square. I've converted this granny square into a triangle by not making the two corners. I'll show you, so keep watching the video till end and let's start. Okay, for this project I have taken crochet hook of size 1.25 mm and soft cotton yarn of blue color and a cotton hanky. So as I always start from somewhere near the corner, this hanky or this napkin, I'll start with the corner here, and I'll start by making a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to make a single crochet here like this. Then I'll make chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3, and inside this chain 2 space here, very first I'll insert my hook and I'll make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3 like this. Then I'll make 1 single crochet nearby, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, inserting my hook in this loop here, in this gap here. I'll make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3 like this. Again, a single crochet nearby, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, in the loop here, in this gap here, I'll make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. So likewise I'll keep repeating this round all the 4 sides of my napkin. Oops. You can take the hook size as per the fabric of your hanky or the napkin, so that it can easily get inserted. You don't have to do any struggle to put in, otherwise the design would affect. So I'll keep on doing like this on all the 4 sides of my napkin, and I'll see you after this round. Okay, so here I've completed this round almost. I'll do my final single crochet here in the first space here, which we have started with here, and our round is completed. Now what we will do for the next round is we will going to do slip stitch in all the 3 stitches which we have, 3 chain stitch which we have taken at the start. So this is my first slip stitch, this is my second slip stitch, and this is my third slip stitch. Basically we have to reach on the top of this pattern. I'll make 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then skipping this one petal here on the next one, on the top of the next one, I'll make a single crochet like this. Again, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skipping one petal on the top of the next petal, I'll make a single crochet. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the top of the next petal, skipping one like this. So we will repeat this entire row in the similar manner, and I'll see you at the end of the round here. So here I have completed by making a slip stitch on the very first stitch which we have made at the start, like this. So our second round is also done. Now we'll begin with our third and the final round of this hanky edging. First we will do a slip stitch here in the first chain 6 gap, and then 3 chains up, 1, 2 and 3, which will count as 1 double crochet, and we will make 5 more double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then we will make a single crochet in this here, in this loop here, and again 6 double crochet in the same chain 6 gap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This will look like this, and then I'll make a single crochet in the next chain 3 gap, but I will make on the third chain here, not inside this but on the third chain of the chain 6 gap, like this. Now again the same, in the next chain 6 gap I'll make 6 double crochets, 5 and 6, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to make a picker, like this, and again 6 double crochets in the same chain 6 gap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, like this. So our pattern will look like this. So I'll keep repeating this way and I'll complete all the 4 sides, and I'll see you here at the end of the round. So here I've completed all the 4 sides with this last round, and it looks somewhat like this now. And to decorate the corner, I will make a triangle of granny square with this flower, 3-layered flower here. But I'll convert this 3-layered flower into a triangular granny square from 3 sides, not the 4 sides. For this, I'll take a I'll take green color here to make the leaves, and starting with any of the petals here, you can, in between any of the centered double crochet of the petal, make chain 1 and 1 single crochet in the same stitch, like this. Now chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then in the next petal, make cluster of 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and then chain of 2, one more cluster here of 2 double crochet in the same stitch, chain of 2 and one more cluster of 2 double crochet. So as you can see, 3 clusters of 2 double crochets. I'll make chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and a single crochet here in between of the next petal. So our first corner of 3 double crochet clusters 3 times if done. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. We'll make another corner with clusters of 2 double crochet 3 times. 1 cluster, chain 2. One more cluster. I hope you know how to make the cluster. I'm grabbing yarn, inserting my hook. There are 3 loops, pulling through 2. Now again, I'll grab the yarn, put through the same stitch through 2 loops. Now 3 loops are there on my hook and through all the 3. Chain 2 and third cluster. 1 and 2. So it looks like this. Now I'll make chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Another single crochet in the next petal, this in the center, and I'll make the third corner in the similar way, 3 clusters of 2 double crochet, chain 5 and then a single crochet here. I'll complete this triangle and I'll see you then. Okay, so here I have completed my triangle, as you can see, with 3 corners, and now I'll do next round by making chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. I'll turn my work, and inside this first chain 5 gap I'll make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now for the first corner, what I'm going to do is I'll make chain of 1 and I will directly insert my hook in this first chain 3 gap here, which I've made. So here I'll make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. In the corner petal, in the center petal here, what I'm going to make is here in this petal, the middle one, I'll make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, and then I'll make chain of 2, 1, 2 or 3 you can say, because my thread is a bit thinner, and again 3 double crochet in the same space, same stitch, 1, 2 and 3, like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make chain 1 and again insert my hook in this next chain 3 gap here and make 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, like this. Chain 1 and in this chain 5 gap I'll make 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now here we will not take any chain 1 to get into this chain 5 space. Rather we will make 1 double crochet on the top of this single crochet, like this. Again in chain 5 gap I'll make 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now Now to get into the corners, I'll make one chain and directly I'll insert my hook in this 3 chain gap. Here I'll make 3 double crochet. In the middle one I'll make 3 double crochet, 3 chains, 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochet in this chain 3 gap, chain 1 and 5 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 5 double crochet. So I'll complete this round and I'll see you after this. So here I have almost completed and I'll make my last 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet in this, 1 single crochet from the row behind, and I'll cut this yarn here. I've completed this. Okay, so I'll hide the tail later, and this is how I have made a corner to decorate my hanky, and this corner would go like this here on the hanky. So alright, so the final look of my edging, hanky edging is this with this corner, decorative corner. You also go ahead and try to make one and do let me know how you like the design and the pattern. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, please keep liking, sharing and subscribing my videos. Thank you.